Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're lucky enough to have Stephen Dougherty here today from Solace Boats. He is Solace Boats, by the way. So, fantastic project right here.
This is our new 37 Pilot. So this is the beginning of our pilot series of boats. We'll be doing from 30 feet, 32, 35, and 37.
So when I talk to you about 12 weeks of development, what does that mean to you?
Okay, so this was a concept, and we had this concept kicking around for maybe a year or so, and we had talked about it in engineering. We did some sketches on it, and about 12 weeks ago, I went into engineering and said, remember that pilot boat we talked about? We're gonna build it and get it to Miami.
How were you able to accomplish all that in just 12 weeks?
So we have all this in-house. We do all the engineering in-house. We have a full machine shop, welding fabrication, and pattern cutting. So we do everything in-house and we take advantage of it.
That's amazing. If you don't know, there's a lot more going on at Solace Boats than just boats. I think you do such a great job of engineering and can show you how fast you can put something together.
Yep.
Now, it's not just how fast it came together, but how the quality it is, right?
There's a lot of engineering, and to make something look simple, it starts off hard. And we work it and work it and work it and engineer it. We have creative people, and when it's all done, it looks pretty simple. And that's the whole idea.
So when we talk about all the quality parts on this boat, it starts with the boat, right? Infusion process, to the Cerakoting, to everything.
Yeah, it's not just skin deep. So we have a very well-designed bottom that's a double step hull. We infuse every piece of fiberglass on the boat. Our consoles are built with carbon fiber. We don't have aluminum legs. We have nice carbon fiber legs, very clean, glasses glued in, and we take that throughout the whole boat. Our cushions are held on with magnets, and we don't settle for hardware that's available. If we need something, we develop it.
Absolutely, and form follows function, because these boats are so stylish on top of it. So my question to him was, I'm a Florida guy, I kind of like that boat, thinking it was really out of the Northeast, but...
Yeah, we developed a boat for the Northeast, Canada, all these colder markets where they want to stretch their season a little bit and where we can have heat. But the same unit will also do cold. So we've got 12,000 BTUs of air conditioning and 12,000 BTUs of heat. And so down here, it's we got the word out we were doing it, and most of the leads are coming in for people in Florida interested in air conditioning.
How fantastic is that? But the best part of this boat is got the second station, so you can get the rays and you get view and see the big catch coming in, right?
Yeah, it's still a very fishy boat, and that's what we do. All our boats are very fishable.
Absolutely. So if you've never been on a Solace, you need to step on board and you need to take it for a sea trial, because performance is what all these boats are about, correct?
That's right, that's right.
And he is the man, the myth, the creator. He is the designer, everything. So go to the local dealership, step on board, see the refinements, but make sure that you take it out on the water and take it for a rip, right?
Yep, I agree.
All right, Stephen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck. Can't wait to see you the next one.
Appreciate it.